New York City, the largest city in the United States, is one of the most exciting and iconic destinations in the world. Known as the city that never sleeps, it offers an incredible mix of history, culture, entertainment, and modern attractions. From towering skyscrapers and famous landmarks to peaceful parks and creative neighborhoods, New York provides unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Whether you love art, history, shopping, or sightseeing, this vibrant city has something for everyone. Here are the 10 best things to do in New York that every visitor should experience. 1. Visit the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most recognized symbols of freedom and democracy in the world. Standing proudly on Liberty Island, it has welcomed millions of immigrants and visitors for generations. A ferry ride to the island not only brings you closer to this historic monument, but also offers stunning views of the skyline and harbor. 2. Explore Central Park. Central Park is a massive green space in the heart of Manhattan. It is a perfect place to relax, walk, or enjoy outdoor activities. With scenic lakes, walking paths, bridges, and open lawns, the park provides a refreshing break from the busy streets and tall buildings surrounding it. 3. See Times Square. Times Square is one of the most famous locations in the city. Known for its bright lights, large digital screens, and constant energy, it is always alive with activity. Visiting at night is especially exciting when the entire area glows with color and movement. 4. Visit the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building is one of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world. From the observation deck, visitors can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of New York City. It is a must-visit attraction for anyone wanting to see the city from above. 5. Walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge is a historic structure that connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. Walking across the bridge offers beautiful views of the skyline, the river, and the surrounding areas. It is one of the most memorable and scenic experiences in the city. 6. Discover the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is one of the largest and most famous museums in the world. It features an incredible collection of artworks from different cultures and time periods. Visitors can explore everything from ancient history to modern art, all in one place. 7. Visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. The National. September 11th. Memorial and Museum honors the victims of the September 11th attacks. The site includes large reflecting pools and powerful exhibits that tell the story of that day and its lasting impact on the world. 8. Experience Broadway. Broadway is the center of live theater and entertainment in New York City. Watching a show here is a world-class experience, featuring outstanding performances, music, and storytelling that attract audiences from around the globe. 9. Visit One World Observatory. Located at the top of One World Trade Center, this observation deck offers incredible views of the entire city. It is one of the best places to appreciate the scale and beauty of New York from a high point. 10. Explore Fifth Avenue. Fifth Avenue is one of the most famous streets in the world. Known for its luxury stores, historic buildings, and lively atmosphere, it is a great place for shopping and sightseeing while experiencing the energy of the city. New York City is a place full of life, diversity, and endless opportunities for exploration. From world-famous landmarks and cultural institutions to vibrant streets and peaceful parks, every part of the city tells a unique story. Whether you are visiting for the first time or returning again, New York always offers something new and exciting. These were the 10 best things to do in New York, each providing a different way to experience the magic of this incredible city.